Hi, it's Susan, and it is spring. Yeah, what that means is it was 65 yesterday and it's cold and rainy today. But really what we want to talk about is making sure that you're aware of how the weather affects your home. So this time of year, we're all out, we're starting to garden a little bit, we're adding mulch. Make sure you're not putting it too far up on your foundation so that you have a clear path. So that we're not helping the termites get into our homes. Making sure that you're cleaning out your gutters. This time of year, after coming from fall and winter, it's really important for you to make sure that your gutters are clear of any kind of debris. And next of all is the things that we always should be watching, and it's our foundations. Making sure you're checking your sump pump and pit, and making sure that the pump is working properly. It has to be functioning right to make sure that you don't have any kind of backups or issues in your basement. A lot of us also find that this time of year, after having kind of a dry season, we go into heavy snows, then heavy rains, and the foundation cracks can start seeping. Make sure that on your agenda, just like changing your furnace filters and doing your monthly maintenance, you're checking your foundation. Walk it. Make sure you're looking at everything that possibly could become an issue. All right, I'm back. I am so sorry I started laughing, but we're standing in the parking lot, of course, and Wade's holding an umbrella over Jake doing the video, and it's starting to really rain. Again, hopefully you'll remember this video when you're doing your weekly and monthly maintenance of your house. But really the point being, this time of year is also when foundation repair guys are extremely busy, so stay on top of it. If you need some kind of help with that, reach out to them early on so that they can get in there and make sure that we're not causing any kind of damage to your house by the spring weather. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me direct, and yeah, it is really raining. Enjoy your day, and again, important, homeowners maintenance.